Okay, so guys, I woke up this morning and came to the stark realization that there's a lot of noise outside. So I went and checked, and there is a whole freaking wood chipper out here. Bro, there's a whole wood chipper. Look at that. Look, bro, look at that. There's a whole wood chipper crew out here just to clear up a branch. Yeah, so apparently there was this branch that fell during the blizzard we had. For those of you who are from Delaware, you do know this very well. Basically, this blizzard caused a whole freaking tree to come down onto the middle of the road, and it straight up prevented that entire lane from being used. They had to go around the branch. They had to switch lanes, which is a very risky idea considering that, there are other cars that drive on that lane. So, whatever they're doing right now with the branch, they're doing a really good job of clearing that up. Because now both lanes can be used safely. Yeah. Oh, look at they're shutting down they're just shutting her down. Yep, they're all coming through. There he is. Still doing his thing. Bro, look at this. Look at that, bro. That is insane. They got a whole wood chipper out here. Right, and also this morning, the trash truck came through, and they put our trash can in the middle of the freaking driveway. That is disgraceful. Actually. That is disgraceful beyond belief. Bro, if you're ever in Delaware and you see just this trash truck, do know that we don't take our trash seriously. If you live here, you already know this. If you're not from here and you want to travel here, well, good luck to you. Bro, what on earth happened to this? This net is all kinds of jacked up now. Seriously, bro. All the clips that were up here are gone. This is really tragic that we had to get a whole wood chipper crew out here just so we can clear up that branch. You couldn't just have somebody come chop it up. I know that's too much to ask, but are the rest of the trucks necessary for clearing up the road? Why couldn't you guys just, I don't know, potentially get just one wood chipper and a bunch of guys with saws? Also, look at this. That is a whole spatula. You could have pulled from our backyard. Started cutting off bark. Now, to be fair, this thing's all kinds of crusty. So I can toss it over there. There we go. Yeah, get that squared away. There it goes again. Yeah, literally. One wood chipper is enough to alert the entire trailer park that, hey, we're clearing up a branch. Y'all probably shouldn't drive up here. That'll stop people. Like, spoiler alert, it's not going to. It's just not. It's just not going to.